So next question, same question, simplify the given products. Okay, you take first term of the trinomial into binomial. So PQ into PQ plus QR. So PQ into PQ, P square, Q square. PQ into QR, that equal to plus P, Q into Q, Q square. Okay, next you take second term of the trinomial minus QR into PQ. So minus P, Q square R. Okay, next minus QR into plus QR. So minus Q square R square. Okay, so you take the third term of the trinomial PR into PQ, that equal to P square QR. You write orderly P, Q, R like that. Next one, P square into QR over. Next one, P into R, Q, R into R, R square. So first trinomial into binomial over. Okay. Next, between them you have negative symbol. Write it. Now you multiply this binomial into trinomial. So PR into P, P square R. PR into Q, PQR. PR into minus R, minus P R square. Okay, next PQ into P. Okay, P square Q. PQ into Q, P Q square. Plus of minus minus PQ, PQ. Okay, so this is plus PQ Q square R and minus P Q square R. Both were cancelled here. Okay. The next one, plus PQR minus PQR. Both are cancelled. Okay. So remaining P square Q square. P square Q square. Okay. Minus Q square R square plus P square QR plus PQ R square. Okay, now you remove the second bracket. Okay, so that means you change the signs. Negative quantity into positive quantity, negative quantity minus P square R. Okay, negative quantity into negative quantity, positive quantity plus PR square. Okay, negative quantity into positive quantity, negative quantity P square Q. And positive quantity into negative quantity PQ square. Okay, that's enough. Okay, now we have to identify any like terms are there. P square Q square. No P square Q square terms. Leave it. Next Q square R square. No. Next one, P square QR. Only one term is there. PQR square. No. And P square R minus P square R. Okay, no. Next, plus PR square. No like terms. Okay, so no like terms. Remaining terms are same. So this is the simplification of product of first trinomial into binomial and binomial into trinomial, their subtraction. The next question, if A, B, C are three real numbers such that these three are equal, find the value of A plus B into B plus C into C plus A by A, B, C. Okay, already given these three are equal. So that means A plus B plus C by C is equal to A minus B plus C by B is equal to minus A plus B plus C by A. Okay, all are equal. So let us take one of the variable, one of the constant like K. Okay, so let us take these three are equal to K. So now we have to find the value of A plus B, B plus C and C plus A and substitute them. Okay, so already A plus B minus C by C equal to K. Okay, so with the help of this equation you have to find the value of A plus B. Here C is division of transposition multiplication. So A plus B minus C equal to K into C. That implies A plus B equal to KC plus C. So we separate K now, remaining C C separated, remaining K plus 1. Okay. So as usual, second one, A minus B plus C by B is equal to K. That implies, okay, we want to find B plus C. That means A plus C. Okay, A plus C minus B. A plus C minus B equal to, B is division of transposition multiplication, KB. So that equal to A plus C equal to KB plus B. Okay, you separate B now, remaining K plus 1. As usual, third one, minus A plus B plus C by C equal to K. That implies minus A plus B plus C equal to K. C is division of transposition multiplication. Okay, that means B plus C equal to KC. Okay, KA, this is KA. A, this is A. Okay, so KA plus this is minus A of transposition plus that equal to, you separate A, remaining K plus 1. K plus 1. Okay, we got the value of A plus B, A plus C and B plus C. You substitute all these values in that particular given, A plus B into B plus C into C plus A by A, B, C. Okay, here A plus B equal to C into K plus 1 into B plus C equal to A into K plus 1 and C plus C, that equal to B into K plus 1, this one, by A, B, C. A cancel, B cancel, C cancel, that equal to K plus 1 into K plus 1 into K plus 1, that equal to K plus 1 whole cube. K plus 1 into K plus 1 into K plus 1, K plus 1 whole cube. Here what is K? K equal to this one or this one or this one. So you substitute any one. So here this one, if you substitute K equal to first one, this cube reduces to A plus B minus C by C plus 1 whole cube. If you substitute second one, okay, this cube reduces to A minus B plus C by B plus 1 whole cube. If you substitute third one, minus A plus B plus C by A plus 1 whole cube. So this is the simplification.